Welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about the Pomodoro Technique. So let's get straight into it. First of all, what is the Pomodoro Technique? It is a time management method developed by Francesco Cirillo in the 1980s. The technique breaks down your working hours into 25-minute segments, separated by short breaks. Each 25-minute segment is known as a Pomodoro, which is the Italian word for tomato. The technique was named this because Francesco Cirillo used a tomato-shaped timer when he created this technique as a university student. So, how does the Pomodoro Technique work? It can be broken down into 5 simple steps. First, pick the task that you want to complete. Then, set a 25-minute timer. Once you have started your timer, work on your task until the timer rings. Then, when the timer rings, take a 3 to 5 minute break. And finally, every 4 Pomodoros, take a longer 15 to 30 minute break. To make this technique even better, I suggest stretching or doing simple exercises during your breaks. This will help your health if you are working at a desk for long periods of time. And that is the Pomodoro Technique. Ever since I started using this technique, my productivity has increased tenfold. I highly recommend that you give it a try. And that is it for this video. I hope that you learned something new, and I will see you in the next one. Once again, thanks and goodbye.